Guys, if you're launching any new product, and it can be a physical product or a digital product, I have an amazing solution for you which is going to make your product launch very smooth. Guys, whenever we launch a new product, you want that every customer of yours should know about it. And to communicate that product launch, I have created an automation for you in which you have to enter the details of your customers in a spreadsheet. So you can use Google Sheets application and you have to enter the customer details, the contact details, and you have to enter the product launch event details in a separate spreadsheet. And as you are going to enter the product launch event details, our automation is going to send promotional product launch messages to all of your customers you have added in your spreadsheet on their WhatsApp automatically. Yes, guys. So you don't have to manually send those messages, and you can set up this automation very easily without any coding. Let me show you how. Guys, to set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. I have pasted the same link in the description. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now. And after that, you have to sign in and reach the Pabbly Connect product and you will see the dashboard like this. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up an automation workflow. So you can give a name to this workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as send product launch messages. Okay, so after giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is ready here. And on this page, guys, you will see the trigger and the actions. So with the help of these two things, we can set up this automation. So guys, in trigger here is that event which is going to kickstart this workflow, and the action would be the response or the consequence of the trigger. So in trigger section, you have to connect the trigger application in which the trigger event is occurring. So in our case, we are entering the details of product launch here in this spreadsheet. Okay. And as I enter the details of product launch, this is going to trigger the workflow. So Google Sheets is our trigger application. So select for Google Sheets here. Okay. And adding of a row is the trigger event. So here when you click on trigger event, it will show you new or updated row. Select this option and then it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, you can make a connection with the Google Sheet. And to make this connection, you need to follow these steps written here. So it's quite a long list. You can read the instructions and do it, perform it one by one. Or what you can do, you can just click on this watch tutorial word here and you will see a YouTube video attached. And by this video, you can learn how you can make the connection with Google Sheets in the trigger. Okay. So and after making the connection, guys, we can capture the response of that connection, this webhook URL connection. Okay, so let me show you how we can get the response or the data from our spreadsheet to here in this workflow. So guys, I have created the connection using webhook URL like this. Okay, and from this initial setup, we have this send test button, and you can see in the workflow, guys, after following these steps, you can see it is showing waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so to get the response here, what you can do, you can go back to the spreadsheet and under this initial setup of Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on, you have to click on this send test button. So when you click on send test, the data of the first row that you have in your spreadsheet will be sent to your workflow as the test data. So click on send test and here you can see it is showing test data sent successfully. Let's check in the workflow if we got the data. And here you can see the response got captured and here it is showing the details as this. The spreadsheet's name is here. Okay, the sheet's name is this, product details, sheet ID, row index, and this is product name label in which we got the product name. Launch event venue is here and the launch date is here. So this is the same data I have added here in this spreadsheet. You can see that got captured in this workflow as the test data, right? So we have got the test data. Now you can click on submit here. Okay, and you can see the setup is configured successfully. Close this window, and here you have to do one thing more. From this extensions, click on extensions, and this Pabbly Connect webhooks option available here. From here you have to click on this send on event option as well. So when you click on send on event, what will happen whenever you are going to add a new row here, the workflow is going to be triggered and start working. Okay, so we are done making the connection, and after that what we want to send the promotional message of our product launch event to the customers that we have in this spreadsheet. Let me show you. In this spreadsheet, guys, customer details, you can see I have another sheet here named as sheet 1. Let me open it, and these are the details of my customers or leads and all the audience. And I want to send WhatsApp messages to all these people about the product launch event that we are going to conduct. Okay, for that to happen, guys, we need to get the data of these people here first in our workflow. Okay, so in the action step here, I am going to connect with Google Sheets again. Search for Google Sheets, and in the action event, I am going to use this get rows option. So it is going to retrieve the data of the rows based on range. So when you connect a Google Sheet in action step, it will show up all these options, all these action events. From here, select get rows. Okay, then click on connect, and from here add new connection if you're making the connection for the first time. And all the connections that you make here are saved in your account, so you can use your saved connections also by using this select existing connection. Okay, let me show you how to make the first connection by selecting this, and after clicking here, click on connect with Google Sheets, and it will bring you to this window. From here you have to select that Google account by which you have created that sheet. Okay, then you have to provide some additional access to your Google account. Just click on continue from here, and you can see we are getting connected with Google Sheets. Okay, so authorization is successful and we are now connected. Okay, and here it is asking for the spreadsheet's name. So the name of my spreadsheet here is this, customers details. So you have to select this name from the given list. These are customers detail. Select it, and then you have to select the sheet's name. The sheet's name is sheet 1. You can see sheet 1, it got auto selected here. Okay, and here it is asking for the range of data that you have in your spreadsheet. So guys, to get the range, you just have to come to your spreadsheet and you have to start selecting the data starting from the first customer like this. Select it, select the first row, then start selecting down and keep on selecting till the last row like this. And when you are done selecting, it will show a code here in the name box. It is showing A2:C23. This means we have the data starting from column A, row number 2nd, and it is ending at column C, row number 23. Okay, right. So you can just copy this range and put it here in your workflow like this. So this is how you can put the static range. But guys, if you're adding or subtracting your customers in your spreadsheet, you can put a dynamic range. For that, you just have to backspace this 23 number. This means we are specifying here that our data is starting from column A, row number 2nd, and it is ending at column C, but we do not know at which row it is ending. So I just put here C only. Okay. Now guys, to get the data here, click on save and send test request, and the data from your spreadsheet will be fetched here. But guys, before that, just remember to toggle this simple response button to off. Why we are doing this, I'll tell you. First toggle this off, then click on save and send test request. So guys, when we toggle this button to off, it will give us the response from our spreadsheet in this array of data format. Here you can see guys, in this response result label, we got an array of data in which we have all the details of all the customers or the people we have like this. Okay. So we collected the data in array because now we are going to use another feature of Pabbly Connect. Just click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up here. From here, I'm going to choose iterator. So what iterator will do, iterator is going to segregate this data, this array in row by row form, one by one form. Okay. So iterator will make this workflow run one by one for each and every customer, starting from the first row, then for second, then for third. So it is going to send messages one by one. That's why I have collected this data in array format. Now we can arrange it using iterator. So here you can see it is asking choose your array. So when you click here, it will show you the previous step in the drop down like this. And from here only, click on this response result array, select the array, then click on save and send test request. And here you can see started showing the details of the first customer like this. Okay, you can see here in the sheet as well. Dummy user. Okay, so this is how it is going to run for the first, then for second, then for third. Okay, so after arranging the data, the only thing left is to send a promotional product launch message to the customer, which is here. And to send the message, we want to send the message on WhatsApp. So just click here on this plus icon. And in this action step, we are going to connect with WhatsApp now to send the message. And to get that connection, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API or application programming interface. And to get that access, we are going to use WhatsApp's official cloud API platform. Okay. But before connecting the cloud API platform here, you need to connect your business number with the cloud API setup. Okay. And if you want to know how to do that, you can watch the video from the description, guys. Okay. After setting up your cloud API, you can search for it here, WhatsApp cloud API like this. And then you can select this platform here. And in the action event, select send template message option. Then click on connect. From here, if you're making the connection for the first time, select add new connection. And then it will ask for the permanent access token of your cloud API, the phone number ID and the business account ID. So guys, if you want to know more about cloud API setup and how to make the connections here, you can just click here on this here text and you will reach this forum page of Pabbly Connect. And here we have these videos. You can see the first video is for setting up the cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. Second video is for generating the permanent access token. Then we have written instructions along with screenshots to make you educate about the cloud API connections. Okay. So guys, for now, let me show you my cloud API setup and how to make the connection. Guys, this is my cloud API setup. You can see I am under Meta for developers and I am under WhatsApp's getting started page. And here you can see, guys, I have this temporary access token. So first they gave you temporary tokens, but these tokens expires in 24 hours. So you need to generate a permanent one. So you can watch the video from the description or from this forum page. We have created a dedicated video on which we have explained how you can generate the permanent token. Okay. And after getting the token, you have to paste it here in this token field. Similarly, you will get the phone number ID here like this. Okay. You can just copy it from here and paste it here like this. And you will find the business account ID here. Click on it, copy it and paste it here like this. And after pasting these three things, click on save and you will be connected with cloud API and this connection will be saved in your account. Okay. So guys, if you want to make the connection again with the cloud API, you can use your saved connections also. As I have already created many connections with my cloud API setup, so let me use my saved connection. For that, I'm going to select this existing connection option. And when you click on this select connections list, it will show you the list of all the saved connections that you have. From here, you can select any of your existing connection. I'm selecting this one and then click on save and you will be connected again. Okay, so you can see we are connected here. And here it is asking for the templates name. So guys, to send messages on WhatsApp, you need to create message templates first. Okay, so message templates are the pre-created message structures that you can use to send messages on WhatsApp. So guys, this is my message template I have created to send messages for the product launch. So you can see the preview here. This is how it is going to look like on WhatsApp. Dear, as part of our text club, you are officially invited to the launch event of any product where you can take a live demo and place your order one whole day before we launch to general public. So this is kind of promotional message. And in this message, we have this 1, 2, 3 and 4 in double curly braces, these are the body fields or the variable tags of the message template. This means we can change these four things with every message automatically. Okay, so let me first select this message template's name. And guys, if you want to know how to create these message templates, you can watch the video from the description. We have a dedicated video on template creation, so you can watch it and do it on your own. Okay, so here let me just select the template's name, which is this product launch. You can see product launch. Okay, and you can see the language code and the template ID is auto populated here. And here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to place the WhatsApp number of your customers. So we got the data of my customers here from my Google Sheet like this, and I have arranged the data with the help of iterator like this. So from this iterator step, I am going to map the contact details. So just click here and it will show you the iterator step right here. And when you click on it, it will show you all the data. From here, map this phone number. And you have to place this phone number in this format. You can see with a country code and without any plus sign. So 91 is for India. You have to enter yours. And now it is asking for these body fields 1, 2, 3, and 4. So guys, I have already shown you that I have 4 body fields here. And to get the data of body fields change with every new message, you need to map the values of these body fields here in the workflow. Okay, so let me show you. First body field is for the name of the customer. Second body field is for the product name. Third body field is the venue of the event. Fourth body field is for the date of the event. Okay, so we got whole data here from my spreadsheet, which let me show you, which is connected here in the trigger. So here you can see I got the product details here and the launch details here, and I have the customers details separated here in this iterator. So first body field is for the customer's name. So just click here and from this iterator step, map the customer's name. Second body field is for the product's name, and you will get the product name from the first step, from the trigger step. Here is the product name. And then the third body field is for the venue of the product launch event. So you got the venue details from your spreadsheet from the first step. Here is the venue details. And fourth body field is for the date of the event. So you got the date here from the first step only. Now guys, you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request button, and a test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number. So guys, to show you the demo, I'm going to place my WhatsApp number here. Then I'll click on save and send test request, and I'll show you how the message is going to look like. So guys, I have clicked on save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a new message on WhatsApp, and you can see the message is this: dear dummy user, as part of our text club, you are officially invited to the launch event of new product, where you can take a live demo and place an order. And here you can see we await your present at Pabbly head office on this date. So this is the same data that I have entered here. You can see new product was the name of the product, head office is the venue, this is the date, and this is the customer's name. And all the things are present here in this message, you can see, because we have mapped the data. And these things are according to the body fields I have here in the template. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So every time you are going to enter, whenever you are going to launch a product and enter the details of the product launch here, after that this kind of promotional message, this kind of WhatsApp promotional message is going to be delivered to all your customers automatically. You don't have to do anything. This workflow is going to run in the background. Okay, so guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. And you can use this workflow as well, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.